Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 run as administrator not working problem. First method is open computer management. Select username. Make sure username is members of administrators group. Second method is type user account control settings in Windows search bar, click user account control settings. Change settings, click OK and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.